Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pinterest pin not saving easy tutorial step by step clearly. If you're struggling with Pinterest pin not saving, you're in the right place. First, ensure that you are logged into your Pinterest account. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause saving issues. If your connection is stable, try refreshing the Pinterest page. Sometimes, a simple refresh resolves minor glitches. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This step can help remove any old data that might be causing problems. If you are using a mobile device, update the Pinterest app. An outdated app can lead to functionality issues. After updating, restart your device to refresh the application. Now, let's check the pin format. Make sure that the content you are trying to pin complies with Pinterest guidelines. If you are still having issues, try using a different browser. Sometimes specific browsers may have compatibility issues. If all else fails, log out of your Pinterest account and log back in. This can reset your session and might fix the saving issue. Lastly, if the problem persists, consider reaching out to Pinterest support for further assistance. This process can usually help you get back to pinning in no time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.